Oh, this British weather. I've probably got 2 hours max before it starts raining. Look at it. Oh, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope you've had a good week. I hope you had a brilliant week. In this episode, I don't actually know what we're doing. Currently, as of right now, I don't know what we're doing because I've received a parcel. Boom. But I can't remember ordering it, so I don't know what's in that box. So I thought, hey, let's both open it up, let's both investigate what's in the box, and then we can start the episode. I like the sound of that. Oh, I do like the sound of that. Oh shit. Okay then. Okay, so now I remember what I bought. I now officially remember what I bought. So it looks like in this video we'll be fitting on the eBay special front lip spoiler onto my BMW 1 Series 1M replica. Yeah. So I decided to buy this front lip spoiler instead of the original 1M one that everyone normally goes for, only because this one cost me £30, give or take. It's the eBay special one, but the main reason being was the fact that it's gonna be on the underside of the front bumper, so it's gonna get bumped, scratched, scraped, whatever. So there was no point in me spending in excess of like 150 to 200 pounds doing the 1M front lip splitter. I'm gonna call it front lip spoiler. So I've decided to spend £30 on this one. I'm gonna make it look good, make sure it actually does look good. See, I couldn't justify spending in excess of like 150 to 200 pounds for me to just scratch it up. Rather than spending £30, it will fit on, it will do the exact same job as the 1M version, but for a lot cheaper, a lot cheaper. So yeah, here we are. I believe all they gave me was self-tapping screws. Really and truly, I don't know what tools I'm gonna need, so I'm gonna go around there. I'm obviously gonna need a jack to jack the car up so I can have a little bit more space to work underneath the car. I think I'm just gonna need a screwdriver, boom, well, the impact driver, so that it literally just goes through the splitter into the bumper and it should be done. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this should be a quick job, but those are famous last words. I don't know. I don't want to jinx it yet. But yeah, let's quickly just teleport around to the other side and then start doing it. Okay. Alright. Oh, I think what I'm going to do first is actually jack the car up. I've only got one axle stand, so I'm going to jack the car up from this side, put axle stand on the other side, that side there, and then keep the jack that side. This is very dangerous. Don't do this. Always use 2 axle stands. Don't ever do this because you don't want the jack to then fall down while you're underneath the car. Don't ever do that. No. But like I explained earlier on, we've only got about 2 hours before it starts raining. So this is all I can do right now. I can't find my other axle stand, so this is all we can do right now. Yeah, let me start jacking up. Let me just start jacking up. Oh my god. Oh, nah, don't try and tell me that car is not transformed. Oh my god. Oh. Whew. One thing I need to do is I need to get honeycomb mesh, probably like this type. I think that's honeycomb. For this section here. Obviously you saw me cutting out the little bits there, the little grooves I didn't cut out before. But I need to get honeycomb mesh for there. Oh, nah. Look at the little angel lights though. Look at the little angel lights. Oh, to think how this car started off and what it's at right now, completely different. It looks completely different. No, I'm in love. I'm actually in love. Okay. Even runs in line with this. Oh, the new wing mirror covers. Oh, okay. So, my one fear was that the splitter would fall off on the motorway or something like that, driving really fast. So, I've actually doubled up all the screws. 2 in that corner there, 2 here, 2 here, 2 there, 2 there, 2 in that corner there as well. That should provide protection. This is coming along too goddamn well. Too goddamn well. I'm actually lost for words. I'm lost for words. Okay. I think with that, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. If you've enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up. If you've disliked this episode, obviously give me a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments why. Positive criticism is what we do here, is what we like. I'm sure I ordered something else, so there should be another video coming out on next Thursday anyway. But either way, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, so that if I miss a Thursday, if I miss one, you don't want to miss the next episodes. You don't want to miss them. These are the final episodes, and the car is going to be done, completely done. With that having been said, you enjoy your week. You enjoy your weekend that's coming up. Just enjoy yourself. Just enjoy yourself. Count your little blessings. That's all I say. Count your little blessings. I'm your boy. I'm your host. I'm your goddamn mechanic KB, and I'm out.